Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video I'm giving you as a demonstration related to online learning, teaching and online meeting. Solve the problem with the help of Facebook Messenger. Recently Facebook rolling out new feature, it's called Messenger Room, and you can connect this Messenger Room 1 to 50 people. Video conferencing, you can share your screen, you can share your documents with the help of Messenger Room and connect 50 people at a time. No need to account or your Facebook. Suppose for example I have Facebook account and someone of my friend is not using in Facebook account, but I can share this is particular URL. He can or she can access this particular conversation online learning station. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a demonstration.
You need to open your Facebook account, and this is my Facebook account, and here join room or create room, two options are available here, but otherwise you can create here also, create room, and right now 0 people are connected here. Suppose for example I join as Sangram Singh. This is my Messenger room. Look at this here, message are come, Messenger rooms are there, and here several features are there. I can visible my face, unvisible my face. You can call number of participants here with the help of this link. You just copy and send your friends in this link. Setting options are there. End your room, remove all member and disable this link after finish the conversation or after finish the meeting. I send here via Facebook Messenger this link. Otherwise second option I send this link in WhatsApp Messenger also. He just click here, so he joined very easily in this Facebook Messenger room. So here one options are there, share your screen. I can share my entire screen, whatever I exactly explain my student or my colleagues or my company boss. In this particular application also I can share this, like this application I am sharing. So this is I'm implementation something my project related. I can share those tasks with my colleagues or supervisor or company boss, and same task I can apply here students also. It's very interesting, and after finish the explanation and the presentation I can stop here, stop message or come here, I click and stop. So right now one of my colleague is joined Facebook Messenger team. Number of people are joined in this Facebook room and all face are visible here, and you can suppose this view his profile, you can chat, message or remove call on run time. You can mute your speaker, unmute, some options are there, leave the room, exit, visible your face, unvisible. You can add here. Suppose 50 people are join in this room, so all people are connected here and names are comes here. Invitation link only, just I copy and send him, and he just click there and he joined the meeting. I can share with him in this particular code, and just I am explaining whatever I am doing right now related to project tasks or any kind of assignment task. It's very simple. More advantages and no limit of video conferencing. 50 people you can talk with us whole day, unlimited video calling. It's very simple and consume low amount of data in this application, and enjoy full screen like that way. Very simple and helpful application. So this is a small demonstration of Facebook Messenger app.
Hope you like this video. So before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.